There are really two ways to keep your statements to law enforcement from coming into evidence at trial. Two ways. The first way is to ask for preclusion. In other words, the prosecutor didn't file a notice of their intent to use the statement against you at trial within a statutory time period. And as a result, your attorney goes to the court and says, "Judge, please preclude these statements from coming into trial. Don't let them in." That's option one. Option two, you can ask for the suppression of those statements that you allegedly made to law enforcement. In other words, let's say that you make statements without being read your Miranda rights, and as the result of a custodial interrogation, meaning you were under arrest and being asked incriminating questions at the same time without having been read your Miranda rights. If that happens, then your attorney can go to the judge and say, "Judge, I want you to suppress these statements." The catch is you can only ask for one. You can't ask for both. So let's say that the prosecutor gives notice of intent to use some statements at trial, but not all of them. And then of the statements that they do give proper notice for, some of them, maybe you think they were made during a custodial interrogation and without Miranda, and they should be suppressed. It's where it all gets tricky. You can only ask for one. So it's either get rid of the statements that weren't properly noticed, or risk it all and go to court and try to get them all suppressed because they were made under a custodial interrogation without being Mirandized. This is the kind of thing, this wonky stuff that judges and defense attorneys and prosecutors argue about all the time. All the time. I have a case right now where the judge was trying to push me to move for suppression when I had already asked for preclusion. I wasn't going to do that because I knew that the judge was then just going to let all the statements in. But sometimes you have to make tough decisions, and you should do that in conjunction with your attorney. My name's Adam Militello. I am a DWI and criminal defense attorney in Rochester, New York, with an office in Geneseo. If you have questions, give me a call.